Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable live weather notifications on your iOS 15 device. This is a very handy notification to have turned on your device, as it does give advance warnings about the changing weather automatically in your notifications bar. Right, let's get to it. First up, hit settings, scroll down to the general tab, then push on software update. Here you will see what iOS software you currently have. You do need iOS 15 and above for the notifications to work, so if you don't currently have that installed, just do a quick update before proceeding. Now that you've done that, back in the settings bar, scroll down to privacy, location services. Once in location services, scroll down to the bottom and find the weather app. Click on that. Here you want location access set to always and toggle the precise location to on. Now you can return to the home screen and open your weather app. Here you can tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right hand corner where you should see a stay dry card. Hit turn on notifications and you're done. You'll now get live weather updates wherever you are. If for some reason you didn't have a stay dry card, just tap the three dots in the top right hand corner, hit notifications, allow notifications, then here hit weather notification settings, toggle on the locations you want, or just toggle on my location, then you're done. Right, and that's it for this video. I do hope you found it helpful. If so, please do consider subscribing to the channel Into Tech and dropping your likes and comments below. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.